This is a low standard cost mass 30-meter large-scale CNC gantry thermal-Juliet typing machine. It adopts a non-Java build structure design with a spindle moving XYZ 3-axis, while the machine base and workbench remain stationary. The entire machine undergoes pre-deformation and temporary treatment, high-precision large-scale CNC machining trim tests, and manual precision scraping and assembly of gateways, ensuring high-precision retention. Effective travel of 3-axis, x-axis 30 meters, y-axis 1.6 meter, z-axis 350 mm. Suitable for drilling heavy, mini, large sheet metal and free structural components, significantly reducing manual labor, improving production efficiency and position accuracy, and lowering production costs. Spindle is equipped with a high-rigidity, high-power BT14 mechanical spindle imported from Taiwan, offering high processing efficiency and precision. It features a 24-arm tool magazine that moves with the spindle, enabling automatic tool changing anytime, anywhere, achieving intelligent and automated processing. Each transmission shaft of this machine is controlled by an absolute servo motor, maintaining the position accuracy within 0.02 mm. The heavy-duty ball inner gap screws are selected from a brand of Taiwan Heavy, ensuring high precision. The Y-axis features one-driver transmission, high synchronization, and excellent accuracy, guaranteeing fast and smooth movement of the moving beam. A custom-designed flat-threaded pinhole work table is provided for easy fixture clamping and supports quick fixture switching. A standard T-slot work table is also available as an option. The selected CNC machining center system supports multiple programming methods and also supports direct import of CNC joints to automatically generate processing progress. Without the need for professional programmers, the system can store tens of thousands of programs, which saving labor costs effectively. Before the machine leaves the factory, it is tested for accuracy and compensated it by USA API laser interferometer to keep the whole machine accuracy within 0.03 mm. For more model introduction, follow my video account to learn more.